Here we have my Toyota. It's been sitting for well over a month now. If the battery's any good, we'll do a cold start on it. All right, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if this thing starts. Now it's firing on all 6 cylinders. First it was chugging a little bit, but we're not going to rev it up too high because it's cold. There she goes. She's running. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.